Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing another cooking series, or baking actually. I'm going to be making chocolate chip cookies from Rosanna Pansino's recipe. And I'm gonna tell you before that I am not good at baking. I failed making a lot of recipes, and I hope I didn't fail this one. So for the complete recipe, I'm gonna put it in the description box below. Today I'm going to be making half of the recipe, so let me just find all the ingredients in my kitchen. Okay, first I'm going to be putting in the flour. This is the dry ingredients. Now I'm just waiting for my mom to buy the butter because we actually ran out of it. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna prep the mixer. My parents got home with the butter, and at that time they were talking to each other, so it's really loud at home and I had to mute this part. I'm sorry. By the way, I'm using 2 types of butter for this. And that is me cutting some brown sugar. Adding it to the mixture. Now I'm gonna be mixing it with the mixer, and be prepared, it's gonna be loud. Adding in the eggs and mix it up again. Then I'm slowly adding the dry mixture while mixing it. Next, I'm going to be adding chocolate chips. This is the best part. Let's just add more. And then I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of these into a parchment paper on a baking tray. My dough is a bit more sticky than hers. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I hope I don't fail on this one. Okay, and then putting this in the oven. Cookie looks really good actually. Wish me luck. So I took it out from the oven and then I left it for too long, so it's a bit too brown. I'm just waiting for this to cool down for a minute and I'm gonna do a taste test. So it actually tastes really good to me. I mean, I'm shocked that I actually can make these cookies because I usually fail. And I made the second and third batch smaller so it looks better. This cookie tastes way better combined with iced coffee, so now I'm gonna show you how to make it yourself. So first add in 1 teaspoon of coffee powder and add sugar as much as you like, and then mix it with just a little bit of hot water. And then pour in some milk, and I use about half a cup of milk. Put in a few chunks of ice cubes on the blender cup and then just pour in the mixture of the coffee. After that, I add in 1 teaspoon of Nutella, and this is what makes the coffee taste delicious. Give it a little bit of shake and then just blend it all together. So that is how you make this delicious cup of coffee. My brother used to drink this almost every single day, and now I know why he likes it so much. Okay, so that is the end of the video, and it is a really unhealthy snack because there's a lot of sugars. So if you prefer something healthier like oat cookies or any other things that are healthier choices, then please comment down below. I would love to try and find other recipes and try it out for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that you're notified whenever I post a new video. And please like this video if you enjoy watching it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next Friday. Bye!